Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get the styles of an element using Puppeteer. So we will be targeting the tutorial.tips website, and once you are on website, we right click on the page and inspect this element. And as you can see, this element is having role of switch. So we will be using this selector to select the element, and we will be pulling out the styles that are applied to this element using Puppeteer. So let's go to our code editor. So we have already imported the Puppeteer library. We are launching a new browser using headless true option, and we are creating a new page. Then we are navigating to tutorial.tips. Now next thing is to get the styles of element. To get the styles of the theme switcher button, we will say const theme switcher styles equal to await page dot dollar eval, and this page dot dollar eval take two arguments. So first is the selector and second the page function that it will run. So for this button, the selector, we will say role equal to switch. So here in the script we will say button role equal to switch, and we will close the braces, and in the function we are going to pass the element that we are going to resolve using this selector, and in the function we are going to say getComputedStyles, and in the getComputedStyles we are going to pass the element, and once we have the computed styles we are going to get the property value, and the value that we want to extract is the align items. So let's look at the value that it has currently. So if we go to the computed section area, you can see align items is set to flex start. So this is what we are expecting from our script, so that we get the flex start as output. So we will do console.log, and in the console.log I'm going to just console.log the theme switcher styles. So let's give it a try. Open the terminal. So this will run in headless mode, and as you can see it return flex start for the align items. So next we will give try to another property. Let's say we want to find the background image and give it a try again. So once we have the output, we will see if our output match with what we see in the browser. So we'll copy this, go to the browser, and in the filter we put background image, and you can see it is set to linear gradient 45 degree RGB 25 125 107. And if we look at the console, so this is matching our expectation, and in this case our test pass. So this is how you can get the single property. Next we will look at how to get all the properties. So I will just comment it so that you can later on reference this. So to get all the properties, I will say const styles object. Now this styles object is going to store all the properties that we get from the getComputedStyles. And once we have the style object, so once we have style object, we are going to create the styles object, and in this styles object we are going to populate all the styles that are applied to this element. So we will using the for loop here. So we will say for const prop in styles object, and in this object if the property is its own property, then only we want to push that into the styles object. So we will say styles object has own property, and here we will say prop. So it will check if the style object is having the property that is passed using this for loop, and if that matches, then we will say styles prop equal to styles object prop. So let's say here if it's a width of 50 pixel, so it will set a width of 50 pixel in this object. And finally, so whatever the styles we have, we need to return that. We will return styles, and it will store all the styles for this particular element in the theme switcher styles. So let's open a terminal and type node index.js, and it should print all the styles that are applied to this element. And that is how guys you can get the styles of an element using Puppeteer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please smash that like button and make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notifications so you get latest notification whenever I post a new video. See you in next one.